A lot of the times you may want to have a specific format, but you may not find it in presets. In that case, you can also go ahead and create your own preset. So for that, let me just go ahead and then open out, let's say, for example, a video right here, for example. And over here, you can see that right now the preset is 1080p 30, which is the default preset. But if you want to create your own preset, let's say, for example, then you can go around onto video and choose, let's say, a different video encoder right here, just like this. And if I were to go around over here onto frame rate, so you can choose a specific frame rate as well. And even you can go around onto dimension right here and select out a particular dimension as you need right here. And then once you make the changes as you need right here, as you want in detail, you can go ahead and save a new preset and simply go ahead and say, let's say, for example, 480 custom right here, just like this. You can also choose resolution limit right here, just like this. Add a description if you want to, add it inside of the category as well if you want to right here. So I'm going to add it under custom presets right here and click on add. Once you do that, you can see that this is the custom preset that you have right here. So now whatever video you have imported, you can choose this custom preset. So it's under custom preset, as you can see right here. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and select out where you want to actually go ahead and export it. Let's say, for example, under videos right here, just like this, and save it out. And this is what you have. So I'm just going to go around and say 480 and then click on start encoding. And then what happens is that it goes ahead and encodes that out right here, just like this, using that custom preset. And it gets exported right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and create custom presets as necessary inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.